Hi guys, it's Dee and welcome back to Dee's Yard. So I'm finally going to clean out both of my containers on either side of the garage that have the purple fountain grass. And if you remember this summer, they had purple fountain grass and super petunias, and it turned out beautifully. I really love the combination, but it is now time to clean them out and put in a winter container. And let me show you what I'm going to plant there. So all the plants that I'm going to use are going to take me all the way through the winter, and I picked up these two Blue Point junipers on clearance for $14 each. Blue Point junipers are hardy all the way up to zone 4. I'm in zone 7, and the rule of thumb is as long as you pick a plant that is at least 2 cold hardiness zones lower than your zone, they will overwinter in a container just fine without protection. I also picked up these pansies for only $5 each. They were on clearance. And then I paid full price for the ornamental kale, and I really love this. Gorgeous. And they were $5 each. So first thing first, I need to clean out both of these containers, and then I'll get them planted up. You guys, I absolutely love these gorgeous containers. They turned out so good. Now I chose to put the Blue Point junipers up here in the containers because I plan on doing white Christmas lights for the holiday season on these trees. I think it's gonna look absolutely stunning with the white and green theme that I have going on. I end up using 3 of these gorgeous white and green kale, and I end up using 4 of the white pansies. I thought I was gonna use a lot more, but I didn't want to overcrowd the container more than it already is. And honestly, it's for the better because now I have more pansies to use in my window box by my shed, and then also in the ground for the landscape. And then here's a close-up of the other container I have. I think this is gonna look absolutely stunning with the white Christmas lights. I'm super excited, guys. And again, if you want to use evergreens in a container for over the winter without protection, just make sure that you're finding one that's going to be rated 2 cold hardiness zones below yours. So I'm in a zone 7, so I can use a zone 5 or below and not have to worry about protecting it. So now all I have to do is water both of the containers and they're ready to go. Thank you guys for watching me plan out my winter containers, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.